Are you ready to elevate and take your self-care journey to the next level? Hey y'all, welcome back to Nadora Iman, and today we're going to be showing what's in our November hair accessory subscription box. Stylease is a bi-monthly self-care hair accessory subscription box that comes with 3 to 5 hair accessories and a self-care activity for you to indulge in. The reason why we created Stylease is because we wanted to give busy women an opportunity to eliminate online shopping since they already have such a busy schedule. We wanted them to be able to build a hair accessory collection that they love and that'll help save time in their hairstyling time while also elevating their hairstyles at the same time. And then if you save time in your getting ready routine, you have more time to indulge in other self-care activities. This is really a way to be set up for success if you're someone who's always running late due to styling your hair. Adding hair accessories to your routine is how you eliminate that stress and be on time, and you'll be able to elevate your looks. And we're so excited because there's so many goodies in here, so hold your horses and let's go ahead and get right into it.
Okay, girl, let's get into this box. So I'm so excited for this box because all of the pieces are really dedicated to the fall atmosphere, including, pieces that can be worn for all of your activities that you plan to tend to during this season. So all of our boxes come with a special note to you that you should take time to read and indulge. And then on the back, you'll see all the details and some fun ways that you can style each of the pieces. So first up, we have this chestnut headband that is velvet, and the thickness is perfect because you can either wear it just as a headband or it can be worn to cover your ears. Next, we have this gold statement piece that is honestly my favorite piece in this box because it's the perfect accent for any ponytail hairstyle, or if you're wearing your hair down, it can be worn dressed up, just down, and it's going to be a perfect addition to your cute outfit. Next, we have this beautiful scarf that is high quality silk, super lightweight. And the color, can we get into the color? Okay, I'm obsessed. And then, of course, we have to highlight our self-care activity, which is 4 under eye patches so that you look and feel like your best self, and no under eye bag.
Oh, isn't there so many great things in the November box to get you ready for all of the festivities you'll be attending to in November? Good news is you're seeing this video just in time to join and subscribe and get your November box the first week of November, which is right in time before the holidays. And it's a perfect opportunity to boost yourself up and feel like your best self before you continue to pour into other people. Our theme for November is celebrating your accomplishments. So you are worth being celebrated, and we can't wait for you to get your box to start styling with ease.